Welcome, weary traveler, to the Moonlight Inn. You'll have to excuse me for speaking softly. It's quite late and most of our guests are sleeping. I was just about to close for the night. Would you like to stay to sleep? Good. You won't regret it. This is the best inn this side of the city of Hillguard. I guarantee it. Come in. You must be soaking and freezing. There's quite a storm outside. You're the only customer on the main hall this late, so feel free to get the table close to the fireplace and get yourself warmed up. You look starving as well. I still have some delicious stew left brewing and a bit of bread. I'll get you a bowl, sir. Made it myself for the supper, so I can assure you the taste. Some ale too? I'll get right on it, sir. Be right back. There you go. Stew to fill that stomach and ale to quench that thirst. You see, I'm the only barmaid this late, and you're the only customer awake, so you'll have me all for yourself. Doesn't sound too bad now, does it? Oh, you finished your drink in one go. You must have been parched. Here, let me refill it for you. There you go, sir. I'm sure that will warm you up. That being said, I'll be right here finishing the cleanup on the other tables. If you need anything, call me, and I'll come right away, sir. Sorry, what? You like my singing? Oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt your meal. But you say you like it, huh? It was just some silly tune, I didn't mean to. Thank you, sir. It's not every day that you get complimented by a handsome stranger. What? You think I'm pretty? Oh, you heard me. That's so daring of you. I don't even know. Forgive me, I lost my composure there for a second. Yes, you called me? I'll come right away, sir. What can I do for you, sir? Oh, you finished the stew. Was everything to your taste? You say it was delicious? As expected of me. I'm not the type that likes to show off often. I'm very proud of my cooking. You're quite the glutton. That was a big bowl. They say the way to a man's heart is through their stomach. I hope everything was to your taste. Now, if you don't mind, please come with me and I'll show you to your room. There it is, sir. Looks cozy, doesn't it? Here is the key. This room also has a fireplace, although not as big as the one below, but I'm sure it will keep you warm anyway. Say, before you sleep, may I ask, are you going to stay long in the city? For as long as I can, you say. Good, that's very good. You're new to the city, and you see, my mornings are completely free, so I was thinking, you can say no if you want. It's a bit dumb, but Would you would you like me to show you around the city tomorrow morning? Yes. Oh, apologies. That was quite unrefined of me. But you said yes, right? Gods, I'm so happy. Alright. I'll go wake you up tomorrow. We'll have breakfast and we will spend all morning together. Anyway, good night, sir. See you tomorrow.